Hello and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're diving into one of the most anticipated electric car launches of 2025, the Maruti Suzuki e-Vitara. That's right, India's largest car maker is finally stepping into the EV space with a bold, tech-forward SUV. But does the e-Vitara live up to the expectations? Let's break it down. Exterior design. The e-Vitara looks modern and futuristic, yet unmistakably Maruti. It carries over the muscular proportions of the ICE Grand Vitara but with unique EV elements. The front grille is closed off for better aerodynamics, and it features a distinctive LED light bar across the nose. The bumpers are redesigned, the alloy wheels are aero-optimized, and blue EV highlights make sure you know this is something new. It has a bold SUV stance, just with an electric twist. Interior and features. Step inside, and the cabin is a mix of familiarity and innovation. The dashboard layout is clean and modern, with a floating 12.3-inch touchscreen infotainment system, a digital instrument cluster, and touch-sensitive climate controls. Expect soft-touch materials in higher trims, dual-tone upholstery, and ambient lighting. Maruti is also focusing on comfort. The seats are well bolstered, and there's ample headroom and legroom for 5 passengers. Battery, range and performance. Now for the EV credentials. The e-Vitara is expected to come with a 60 kWh battery pack, delivering a range of approximately 500 kilometers on a full charge. It will likely use a single electric motor powering the front wheels, with power output in the 130 to 150 brake horsepower range. It supports fast charging, with 0 to 80% in around 45 minutes. While not a performance SUV, it promises smooth acceleration and silent operation, everything you expect from a refined urban EV. Ride and handling. Built on the EV-specific 27PL platform co-developed with Toyota, the e-Vitara should offer a balanced ride. Thanks to the floor-mounted battery, it has a low center of gravity, which improves handling. Expect well-tuned suspension for Indian roads, comfortable city cruising, and stable highway performance. Safety and tech. On the safety front, Maruti is stepping things up. The e-Vitara is expected to feature 6 airbags, ABS with EBD, ESC, traction control, hill hold, and possibly ADAS Level 1 features in higher variants like lane departure warning and adaptive cruise control. ISOFIX mounts and a 360-degree camera will likely be standard in top trims. Launch date and price. Mark your calendars, the e-Vitara is scheduled to launch on May 19, 2025. Pricing is expected to fall between 20 Indian rupees lakh and 25 Indian rupees lakh, ex-showroom, putting it head-to-head with the likes of Tata Harrier EV, MG ZS EV, and the upcoming Hyundai Creta EV. It will be manufactured at Suzuki's Gujarat plant and likely sold through Nexa dealerships. Pros. Stylish and modern EV-specific design. 500 kilometers claimed range. Loaded with comfort and safety features. Maruti's trusted after-sales network. Fast charging support. Cons. No AWD or dual motor option. Performance may be modest compared to rivals. First-gen EV real-world range TBD. Final verdict. So, is the Maruti e-Vitara worth waiting for? If you're looking for a practical, stylish, and long-range electric SUV backed by India's most trusted carmaker, the answer is a strong yes. It's not just a big step for Maruti, it could be a turning point for mass EV adoption in India. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this review, hit that like button, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more auto reviews. Let us know in the comments, will the e-Vitara be your first EV? Or are you looking at something sportier like the Harrier EV? Catch you in the next video.